What's up, YouTube? This is the Pixel Bros here, and sorry I might sound a little sick. I have been sick lately. I've been really busy with the website, the server. It's been really crazy lately, and I've just been trying to get material out to you guys. So we've been having a lot of prison server stuff right now because we have like 3 hours of recording on that, and not much on anything else. So right now, I'm going to try to get a little back into the coding, and we're going to go on to something that is highly suggested by the YouTube audience, and that would be creating a mob. So we're going to start off by going into Techne. Link will be in the description to download. And Techne pretty much is a application that will create a new entity block or a new mob in the application, and you can save the Java code and the texture, and it's just really nice and it helps a lot. So we're going to start off by naming our model, and let's name it tutorial mob. You're going to always want to start with either model biped or model base. I'm going to start with biped, and then this is like the texture, so the size of the texture map. I'm going to do 128 by 128, and I'm going to create it. So here is our model biped. To rotate, you're going to want to use your right click, hold, and drag your mouse. You can click on the bottom down here where my mouse is on certain face, so this is front. You can zoom out using the scroll on your mouse. And if you just hit the middle mouse button, you can move around like that. So now we've done that, we want to select one head. So I left click to select, so I select an arm like there, blah, 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 blah. So let's start by rotating this on its side. I still don't know what I'm making right now. Let's move the body like this. So I can use the rotation tools over here on the left, down on this controls panel. Why don't we make it fatter? So dimensions, that's the width. This would be the, let's make it 7, and we'll position it down and over a little bit. So right now it's just a really fat guy. Let's move the legs back. I have no idea what I'm, oh, that's this dimensions. Position, move the leg back. I have no idea what I'm making, guys. I'm just kind of going off at it. It's kind of working. Let's move this back. I did that completely wrong. I should not have done that. Position should be like that. Then let's make the body. Click on the body. Go over a little bit, and then down one. Let's go down again. And this guy's looking a little weird. Let's have the arm rotated like that. Then we'll have the arm down like that and over. Doing that wrong. Actually, have it like, I have an idea. Make it like that inside the body, and then pull it out a little bit. And then we can make the arm stubby arms. And we'll make the arms 3 wide, and then we'll do the same with this arm. Or we can do this. We can delete this box, right? And click on this one. And since we want just like the other arm, we can just hit copy. And do that. And then we can hit paste. And now we have this other arm. All we have to do is position it. So position it down, and then we want to bring it over. So Techne is really useful, especially when you're creating mobs or a new entity, like a new block. Like for example, when I say entity, I mean like an anvil is an entity because it's not just a normal square. That stuff. Okay, besides that, we're doing mobs right now. So if we want to learn it, I could show you guys. So we can move the head, tilt a little bit. I don't know. We'll move the head. Alright, yeah. Oh, that'll look cool. Alright. Big head like that. Alright. So that's looking good. We got our little, like, whatever the hell he is. And then, so pretty much over here in the corner, we have our texture. Now, we don't want really textures overlapping, or that'll screw up the thing. So what we want to do is we want to click on each head, each section, and we want to go to texture offset. And we want to move it to a unique location that will remember it. So the head we'll put right in the center. Body can be right under the head, because that's where bodies are. Right under the head. Left arm can be just right to the left of it. Like, you're just going to want to make spots to remember. Obviously, you're not going to have the same character as me, unless, I mean, you want to make the same character as me. But, I mean, really, be original with this. You can, there's really endless possibilities you can do. I mean, actually, there is an end. Circles are the end, but, so then you got this, move this down, and we'll have the legs over there. So, this has been completed. So now what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit File, Export as, Texture Map, and then save it to where you want to save it. So I'm just going to save it to the desktop right now. Then we're going to do File, Export as, Java. And then we're going to save this tutorial on Java. So now we've saved that, and where's our Java? There it is, Java. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Eclipse. Okay. So, we're not going to do that this episode, actually, because I have to do something with my microphone if we wanted to do that. So, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go, for right now, we'll just change the PNG. So, we'll edit this. The problem is I have a, what do you call it, an external hard drive with Eclipse on and all the code, because there's a lot of files of code. And then, I have my headphones plugged in, so I'll have to work something out next time. But, alright, so let's start giving these color. So, we'll give, we can make them like red, okay. Red, so we'll make his legs like red. And give me a paint bucket. Make all this stuff red. And then let's draw in maybe a darker color down here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just kind of making stuff up as I go. Looks pretty good, I think. Has leg. That's one leg. And then let's get some color here. Dot dot do do do. Get the thing. Scroll over. I think this is looking pretty dope. Alright, color that in. Okay. There we got that there, that there, that there. Yeah, I like that. Okay, now let's go over here. This would be an arm. So let's give him a yellow shirt. Actually, make the shirt up here because we can make the shirt ripped. Not like his muscles ripped, but like physically ripped. He's not gonna. The hit damage can be hard. That we can work on when we get into the code. Okay, so there we go. Then let's make the shirt ripped a little bit, and then we'll make that red skin. And that's one arm done. I think this was the yellow color we used. Yes, it was. Let's use a paint bucket just to make this faster. And then red can be, oh, we want pencil. We don't want to make the whole thing red. Alright, so pretty much what we're doing right now is we're just, as you can see, we're coloring in the stuff. And this will pretty much give our mob its texture. Excuse me. Like I said before, I'm sick, you know. Trying to get this video out there, you guys. So, let's think. What do we want him to look like? We can have him, let's just give him no shirt. Oh, yeah. Just so I don't have to color in the shirt. Yes, it's lazy. Definition of lazy is me. So while we're at this little downtime of the episode, I just want to remind you guys, our server is up. You can go check it out. It's the Pixel Bros. The IP is, what is it? It's pixelbrosmc.no-ip.org. Also, you can go to my website I created at johnsonboards.com. Probably wondering why it's Johnson Boards. I don't know. I just need a name for it. And I'm hoping to start a future company where I build surfboards because I surf, and there you learned about me. Congrats. But shit. Alright. So yeah, go check those out. The server, it's not a lot of people on right now. Still kind of in beta. We're trying to finishing everything up. I just got the donations finished yesterday. Like I said, we've been doing a lot of work lately. It's hard work setting up a server. So please bear with me if one day I don't get a video out. I know there has been a few days past week I didn't get a video out. Not a lot, like 1 or 2. So don't judge. Even the biggest YouTubers don't get stuff out. I didn't just call myself a big YouTuber either. I'm just referring to big YouTubers. I'm not a big YouTuber at all. Okay, so now I'm rambling. Perfect. I've got their attention. Okay, so we're gonna give him this like kind of darkish gray hair. Shit. And then let's give him longer hair on the sides. And there we go. I think this guy's gonna look pretty cool. So on three. Working on my threes. I'm still not good at saying the word 3. I got a little lisp on that 3 business. I don't like it. Uneven hair, that's okay. He'll be weird. I don't want to try to make this like perfect right now, cause you know. I have no idea really actually which one's the front and back. So I'm just kind of winging this, and then we'll see how it comes out in the future. This is definitely not right. Okay, file, save. Now there is a way we can test out our character. If we hit X and we go back into Techne and texture, hit down. Show low texture, here it is. Go there, tore him up, and woof, he's creepy. He certainly is very creepy. So I'm okay with that. I'm gonna leave it. I like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Next video will be part 2 of creating a mob, and that will be getting all the Java stuff done. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely rate, comment, subscribe. Go check out our channel, website, server. You know, just go do it for this guy. I'm gonna name him Tom. Hello, Tom. Is Tom creepy enough? I think Tom's creepy enough. So yeah, if you guys have any problems, please leave a comment or something. Go on to the server and talk to me. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.